What is going on, guys? I am Matt. This is MotoWorks. The writing's all over the box, guys. We've got an unboxing video for my ZX14. This is all still in my quest for that 9-second pass. I don't think it's 100% necessary, but let's open this bad boy up. Alrighty, guys, so what we have here is a Yoshimura full exhaust system. It has the R77 carbon fiber muffler, and from everything I've been seeing online, and there's not a lot of information out there, guys, the motorcycle world in terms of like finding information out about a certain exhaust system is actually pretty difficult. On a car, I mean, it's a lot easier to find out the information you need to know about the exhaust system you're putting on your car. I mean, they give you all the dimensions, what the pipe lengths are, what the sizes are, inlets, outlets, exhaust manifold, header, tube diameters. All those things are included with a car exhaust, whereas with a motorcycle, it's kind of like, do you like this carbon fiber? Do you like it in titanium? They don't really give you performance gains, anything like that. It's plenty of sound clips, and I love the way this exhaust sounds. I've heard tons of sound clips on this, and of course, on my channel, I'm going to be giving you before and after sound clips. My bike currently has a Two Brothers exhaust system on it. It is also a full exhaust, and I was kind of disappointed at the power it made. Not 100% disappointed. My bike made 189 horsepower with the Two Brothers exhaust, power commander, ECU reflash, and a Sprint air filter. So I'm not too upset about that, but from what I've seen online and what limited information that's out there, I found that the Yoshimura looks like it should give me anywhere from 195 up to almost 200 horsepower to the tire. Now again, I don't care about the numbers, but I am going to be, after I put this on, I'm going to be taking it back to the same dyno where I got the bike tuned the first time. So if there is an increase in power and it is measurable, we'll at least be able to see that. I ultimately don't care what the number is. I just want to see if it's different between the exhaust that's on there now and this Yoshimura exhaust, and it is their race series. So let's get this thing out of the box. And first and foremost, I hate the way this thing is packaged, guys. They just pretty much put the exhaust in and then put just spray foam insulation on there. So now it's all just stuck to everything. So I think this is going to take a minute to get this thing out of here because it is stuck in every which way possible. So I'm going to set the camera down and we're going to get this thing out of the box. We're going to give it the old wrestling match. Got all the nice dust over here. Unboxing this kind of reminds me of my brothers on Christmas Day when they've packaged my gift in nothing but duct tape. It was kind of a chore to get that thing out of the box, and the box is pretty much unusable. I'm probably not gonna be able to put this stuff back in the box. Alright guys, so that's what comes in the box for this. Each individual exhaust header tube is numbered, which is really cool. I did a close-up of that, which should be scrolling up over your screen right now, but that's nice because sometimes these are a little confusing to put together, and some manufacturers put stickers on there, and we all know what can happen to stickers. They can get lost in the mail, knocked off, you know, you could accidentally knock a couple off and put them on the wrong pipe. But the fact that it's actually stamped on the each manifold, or whatever you want to call it, each header section, is actually really cool, and I'm glad that they did that. Now the collector, everything slides into the collector really nicely. I was pre-fitting this stuff, and of course it's making me a liar, but no, it slides in there real nice, easy to get that stuff to slide in, and I did that for all of them. They all slide into that collector nicely, and then the collector to go out to the exhaust, that stuff. It looks like they actually kind of test fit this stuff at the factory, so it all fits, it all works. You know, everything slides in nice and easy, just like it should. Nice secure fit, but doesn't look like you have to bang anything in with a hammer. So that stuff fits nicely. Now, the best part about this exhaust, and I was a little hesitant at getting this because even I work for a dealership, and the price for the full exhaust system is still expensive even with the discount I get from the dealership. Now I get it at cost from the manufacturer, well, through our, I think this one was available through Western Power Sports, WPS is where I could get this from my dealership. And believe it or not, guys, don't count out eBay. I got this exhaust system brand new in that box, you just saw me take it out, for over $100 less than you can get this for at my dealer cost. So really, guys, keep an eye on eBay. Every once in a while they have stuff on there that will just knock it out of the park, and the fact that I get this exhaust for $100 less than dealer cost, which is several $100s less than retail, was awesome. I mean, shout out to eBay for that one. Not a sponsor, but you know, every once in a while, man, you score big on there. But to round it out, I mean, exhaust looks really good. I mean, I'm a little upset about how they packaged it. There are other ways you can go about that. You can put the spray foam in a bag and put it in there. But it was securely packaged. None of the parts are damaged, dented, scratched. So it is packaged well. It's just, that's just the way they do it. I'm kind of living proof of the way they do it. So everything's packaged well. Looks like I've got everything I need. My horsepower stickers are right here. So if I don't make enough horsepower, I'll just put another sticker on, I guess, is how it goes. It looks like it does have a removable baffle. So looks like there is a baffle here that I can put in if I'd like to, but it's out for now and it's probably going to stay that way. But this is the exhaust system, guys. I am super excited to install this on the bike. So stay tuned for that video. And then after we get it installed, you know as well as I do, it's off to the dyno to see if it made a difference on my ZX14. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you liked the video, as always, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for supporting the channel and affording me the ability to get cool products like this and test them and show you guys the results. But until next time, guys, we'll see you around. Thanks for checking it out. I cannot wait. This is exciting.